there's this inflection point we're hitting where I think we're about to go on an exponential growth to zero energy ready home. And the reason why I'm so excited is that represents, for me, for builders, really a way to manage risk and to really excite the home buyer at a whole new level when it comes to the performance experience. The industry, of course, has ways they address design choices and floor plans and community planning aspects, but fundamentally, when people move into the house, now the industry is poised to deliver something that's completely different in terms of health, in terms of comfort, durability, and also they have the ability also to manage the risks they now face, even as a code builder, because the homes are really at a much higher energy efficient level than they used to be, even the worst home allowed by law. So when we build a code home, it has much less drying potential, it has much less natural infiltration because it's airtight, and it has much less airflow requirements for the HVAC system, so mixing and humidity control are challenged. So we're helping builders, even when they're just starting at a code level, manage risk, deliver a better experience. And of course, the bottom line in all of this is that the country is poised to benefit from so many improvements. The air quality will be better, the economy will have more money, the national security will be better if we rely less on other uncertain energy sources, and the number of jobs created are significant. So there's reasons why we should be excited from an environmental perspective, an economic perspective, a health perspective, for the nation, for communities, for homeowners, and for builders will be a better business. It's interesting when you think back how you wound up where you are. For me, it was a course in college last semester, an elective finally frees up, and I just took a course in solar energy efficiency. And like for many of us, when we get that first exposure to either good building science or renewable energy content, the light goes off and we were inspired by something, and we're not sure what to do with it, because for me it was way before it was fashionable. So your career goes on, you finally get your practice started, for me, and in the 1970s I'm an energy efficient architect. That was like, what was that about? But it was recognizing that we're right in the middle of two oil embargoes and that energy was increasing in importance. And so moving forward, it's like I got to work on energy programs with the California Energy Commission. Then this incredible opportunity comes up with the Energy Star program for Energy Star certified homes. And from there I realized that I want to advocate and develop solutions for homes I would build or design as an architect or builder. And so recognizing Energy Star is a great start, but not nearly enough. Having the opportunity to go to DOE to do zero energy ready home lets me kind of bring the work I'm doing to a level that really represents what I would do and offer, again, if I was an architect or builder. So the arc is so interesting. You get inspired early on by learning some of the first insights about how we can be more responsible with our building industry, and then finding ways to keep changing your lane, iterate towards a career path that lets you do more and more. And I know personally I feel like so grateful that there were these pathways for me that were enabling such big changes to the industry. There are 1.5 million Energy Star certified homes today. Energy Star continues to grow with the great leadership that's taken over that program. The Zero Energy Ready Home program is about to embark on a major growth surge next year, thousands of homes in the pipeline. And we're also doing great work with the Building America program, bringing new innovations that need to happen to help builders manage those risks we mentioned. So yeah, it's when you think back and you look at how you got there and how your career path tells a narrative. It's one of just changing lanes and keep finding a way to keep moving the direction that inspired you in the very first place 40 plus years ago.